Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through an active recovery workout. Today's training is composed of 20 exercises, no repeats, 30 seconds on, no rest. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First up, we have a forward fold with arm raises. Bring your arms up, inhaling deeply through your nose, and we exhale gently out through our mouths as we come into a forward fold. And we repeat, rolling ourselves up with a nice big inhale through the nose and rolling ourselves out into the forward fold as we exhale through our mouths. Last couple of seconds here. Bring your palms together, bring them to your chest, shift your weight on your right leg, and bring the left foot up to the inside of your right knee, coming into a single leg tree pose. Focus on your balance here. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Engage that core. And gently exhale through the mouth. Nice deep breaths here. Get ready to go into an inductor stretch. Shift that left leg out and bring your body towards your right and down. Coming into an inductor stretch on our left leg. Make sure that that right knee is stacked directly above that right foot. And send those hips back and bring yourself down for a deeper adductor stretch. Last couple of seconds here, and we get ready to shift up back to center, shifting our weight to our left foot, coming into a single leg tree pose on our right foot. Again, breathe nice and deep here, engage that core and find that balance. Last couple seconds here, getting ready to shift that right leg out and bringing the body down and left for an adductor stretch on your right leg. Be sure to send those shoulders back, keep that chest up. Last couple of seconds here, and we're shifting into a fighter stance for an alternating hook punch combination. Come back to center, find that fighter stance. We go left hook, right hook. Nice strong punches. Breathing in through our nose, out through our mouths. Nice strong fighter stance. Nice strong punches here. Last couple seconds, and we're shifting into a boxer's lunge with jabs. Here we go. Left leg forward, come down into a boxer's lunge, fighter's lunge, and we're jabbing. Find your balance, find your breath. Or adjust that stance if you need to. Nice, strong, controlled punches. Nice, strong fighter's lunge here. Last couple of seconds, shifting into a warrior one. Lower into your lunge, shift those arms up, and bring your gaze up. Focus on your breath and find a strong warrior one position here. Shift over to a warrior two. Shift those right toes out. Shift those arms out to your sides. Focus on your breath here. Come into a nice strong warrior two position. Getting our legs activated here. Our legs should be feeling warm. Last couple seconds as we get ready to shift into a warrior three. Bring that right hand forward, shift the weight onto your left foot, and send your right leg back. Find your balance here. Slight bend at that left knee will really help. Keep your neck and spine neutral here. Keep your core engaged. Last couple seconds. Coming back into a fighter's lunge. We're getting into a fighter's lunge. Sending uppercuts, alternating uppercuts, right and left. Find your balance. Come to a nice fighter stance here. Nice deep breaths here. Come into a boxer's lunge on your right side here. Going straight punches this time. Find your balance. Come to a nice fighter's lunge stance. And focus on that controlled punch motion. As we get ready to shift into a warrior one, we lower our lunge and shift our arms up. Gaze follows our arms up to the sky. Inhaling through our nose. Exhaling through our mouths. We engage our core and find a strong warrior one position here. Last couple seconds, shift those left toes out. Send those arms out to your sides. Focus your breath and find a strong warrior two position here. Last couple seconds, we're get ready to shift into a warrior three. Left hand comes forward, shifting the weight onto our right foot. We send that left leg back, bringing our body to a forward fold here. Slight bend at the right knee here, help you find your balance. Engage your core. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple seconds here. Slowly, gently come back to center, and we jump rope. Bring our heart rate back up. Inhale through your nose. Out through your mouth. Nice controlled breaths here. Last couple seconds, come back to your fighter stance. Moving forward to speed back punches here. Find your breath. Focus on coordinating your punches here. Nice imaginary speed bag here. Last couple of seconds, moving forward to a squat. Come down to a wide stance. Nice deep squat. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you come up. Send that booty back. Keep those knees behind your toes. Inhale as you come down, exhale as you come up. Last couple seconds, stay down into that squat. We're walking side to side in a nice deep squat. Just walking side to side, keeping our squat nice and low. Last couple of seconds. Moving forward to our last move of this exercise, a simple jumping jack for 30 seconds. Here we go. This is it, guys. Last couple of seconds. Great job, guys. That concludes today's warm-up. Great job, guys. That concludes today's workout. I hope you enjoyed today's routine. My name is Juan. This is Fitness for Transformation. It's been a pleasure training with you. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.